Hello everyone, my name is Pulkit and this is my channel Biotech Media. So today we are going to discuss about how COVID-19 has unveiled the importance of biotechnologies. So before we start, I would like you all guys to subscribe my channel and अगर मेरी वीडियोस आपको पसंद है तो प्लीज उसको शेयर कीजिएगा अपनी फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ। तो सबसे बड़ा सवाल ये आता है कि बायोटेक इंडस्ट्री में क्या और कैसे अपॉर्चुनिटीज हो सकती है। Though the origin of coronavirus or COVID-19 was from China, but now almost every country across the globe has reported this infection cases and death due to the coronavirus. As a result, a high demand of vaccine, drugs and medical products is rising day by day. This global demand could be a potential factor for the growth of biotech industry at significant level. The biotech industries, including pharmaceutical companies, research organizations, are encouraged by the government of different countries across the globe to develop vaccine and targeted drug therapies to combat against this novel virus. Lots of companies are working together for the development of vaccines. Some anti-malarial drugs such as chloroquine, hydroxychloroquine and paracetamol are highly in demand. Chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine, a combination of already approved drugs for use for the treatment of COVID-19 infected person, because these drugs are considered to be safe for the treatment. अभी रिसेंटली फ्रांस के अंदर एक क्लिनिकल ट्रायल कंडक्ट हुआ है जिसमें कोविड-19 के जो इन्फेक्टेड पेशेंट्स थे उनको हाइड्रोक्सीक्लोरोक्विन और क्लोरोक्विन के साथ ट्रीटमेंट दिया गया, जिससे उनमें देखा गया कि जो उनकी रिकवरी रेट था, जो स्पीड थी, उसमें 60 to 70% इंक्रीजमेंट हुआ। कुछ केसेस ऐसे भी रिपोर्ट हुए हैं जिसमें देखा गया कि जो पेशेंट रिकवर्ड हुआ है कोविड-19 से, उसको दोबारा कोविड-19 का इन्फेक्शन हो जाता है। सो इस महामारी का एकमात्र इलाज है जो कि है वैक्सीनेशन, जिसमें पूरी वर्ल्ड की जो बायोटेक इंडस्ट्री है वो बहुत अच्छा रोल निभा रही है। Scientists and researchers from the biotech industries are working in collaboration with IT sectors to develop smart rapid testing kits. In this case, startups are getting more opportunities in the development of such rapid testing kits in huge numbers. How government are helping in the biotech sector right now? Government have also came to know the importance and how crucial it to support the biotech sector right now, when it is only the sector which can provide resources to fight the evil. इसका सबसे बड़ा एग्जाम्पल है जो ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट है, उन्होंने एक सेटअप किया, एक टास्क फोर्स, जिसमें वो हेल्प कर रहे हैं ड्रग मेकर एस्ट्राजेनेका को टू डेवलप द कोविड-19 वैक्सीन. द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी हैव आल्सो क्रिएटेड अ कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म for scientific workers in India. In a short period of time, multiple startup companies has played major role by manufacturing rapid testing kits, hand sanitizer and masks. According to India's biotech queen Kiran Majumdar-Shaw, says that this is an opportunity to really strengthen the India biotech sector. Pandemic reveals that it is very important that we get into the vaccine production, and we need a lot of studies, research on viruses. So now the question arises, have we, the common people, understood the importance of biotechnology? Some of us do not understand the importance of vaccine. We really hope the current situation will be a proper eye-opener for them. Only science can save this mankind from the pandemic coronavirus. Now, apart from all these aspects, I shall bring your notice to the current edge that biotech is gaining in the falling economy. So let's have a look.
Out to you. You say there is one sector that's been immune to the recent market weakness. What is it?
It's biotech, and this is the XBI, the biotech ETF. Actually, one of the best performing groups since the Iowa caucus 3 weeks ago. Despite the perceived political risk out there, biotech acts exceptionally well. There's also a lot of short interest here. 50 million shares on the XBI are short. You start to break this thing above 100. It is a major, major breakout. It's a great chart. It's really been dead money for the better part of the last several years. So we like it here. We like it long. It's been immune to this weakness.
Yeah, I think the way that this is traded in a bad market, right, and it's getting to 100, generally when stocks get into the 90s, 100 is that magnet. If you can break it out above that and you get some kind of turnaround in the market here, you get a positive, a bull market here, this thing could break out much higher.
Well, and yeah, it should be noted also the XBI very different than the IBB, excuse me. IBB very heavy at the top with Gilead and Biogen, et cetera. This is a very diversified play and has outperformed that one. So I think you ride those balance sheets in biotech land.
Biogen's been a monster. I mean, it's had a huge move. It's banging up against levels we haven't seen in many years. Amgen has actually pulled back for you, so I think you'd have an opportunity there as well. And even Gilead is showing signs of life for the first time in a long time. So I'm with Chris on this one. I still like biotech a lot, Gordon.
You know, guys.
I am sure now you can understand why even in this tough time, the shape of biotech sector is selling so strong. So guys, this is it for today's video. और अगर आपको मेरा बायोटेक इन्फो देने का सिंसियर एफर्ट अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज मेरे चैनल बायोटेक मीनिया को सब्सक्राइब करो एंड वीडियो को लाइक करो. योर एप्रिसिएशन वुड जेन्युइनली मीन्स अ लॉट. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. टिल देन बी सेफ एंड बी हेल्दी.